Morning folks. This morning I was going to actually do a full garden tour, but it's still blowing a gale, which is messing with the audio no end. So I'm going to split it and do the greenhouses, which will be a very short one, and then hopefully, if the wind's died down, a garden tour tomorrow. Okay, let's get on with it. Right, in this greenhouse I have done a lot of clearing out lately. Took all the tomatoes out and just tied the strings up out of the way, and we've now put, if I can get it all in, the cold frame in here, which will give me some added protection in the winter. Excuse me. And then when it's time to do tomatoes, I can hook the lids up as they are now and grow straight through them. So I'm looking forward to doing that. And then nothing else in this bed. It needs a good water, and that's, it's got very dry. But I have some elephant garlic. These were mono bulbs that I just stuck in a pot, and they are all coming up. They will go outside, and that before the weather gets too cold. Can't for the life of me remember what the name of this plant is, but it was only about 3 inches tall when I was given it. So it's living in here. A few 3 pepper plants left, which, if I can get it in there, does still have peppers on it, but I think I'm probably gonna take those off now, and then I can clear this whole area and tidy it up. Still got some beans drying there, not that many left now, but they're doing okay. And then this bed yesterday, I emptied all of this one, apart from my loofahs, which I'm still ever hopeful I might get a sponge, but they have now gone, I mean, all season, they're obviously, quite ironically, quite spongy to feel, but now they are getting quite hard. I don't know if that's a good sign or not. If anyone can help me out on that one, then just pop it in the comments below, and that, which all comments welcome. I do love chatting, as a lot of people already know. So all the cucumbers are gone now, and this will all get dressed with manure and that before the winter. Yeah, so that's this one. Not a lot going on, but we'll brave it. You will have to move. I apologise for the wind now, as we can go round to the other one. Don't know if I can get. No, it's not going to pick sign up. That's Bill anyway. That one, and this one is Ben, which should be able to get on there. So this one does have some more in. It's housing my little fig tree at the moment, but again, no tomatoes. Still got the basil in there, haven't got the heart to pull them out yet because they're still flowering, so I do still get some bees and insects in here. Then all my overwintering onions that are doing well at the moment. So the garlic are actually trying to escape, which I knew they would. They're the few monobulbs that I put in. Some spring cabbage that still needs to go out when I find a home for it, and then I have stuck 2 in here because I grew them in the greenhouse over winter last year, and they did really well, so fingers crossed for those. Lots of odd bits. That's some dahlias just left drying out. More marigold seeds, as if I haven't got enough. And then this one, it's just things that I took cuttings, split, various things. Some more spring cabbage, obviously. And I do love propagating these Sempervivums. They're so easy. So, and penstemons. and more of those. Just various odd bits I've dug up around the garden. So you can't have enough free plants. So yeah, so that's the two greenhouses at the moment. So not a lot going on, but you know, it is October, or nearly November I should say. So I'll hopefully do the plot tour tomorrow. So I will see you all for now.